Welcome to Wonder Tales. And so it was in Tick Village, a place where cobblestone streets echoed with the chimes of a towering clock tower. This wasn't just any clock tower, for it had a voice and a personality all its own. Each morning it would greet the villagers with a cheerful, "Good morning, villagers! Time to start your day." Among these villagers was a young girl named Lily. One day, she asked the clock tower, "Mr. Clock Tower, how do you always know the time?" With a chuckle that sent its gears spinning, the clock tower replied, "It's my job to keep time running smoothly, but sometimes, even I need help." One day, a powerful gust of wind swept through the village. The wind was so strong that it caused the clock tower's hands to get stuck. With a worried chime, the clock tower exclaimed, "Oh no, I can't move my hands. The village won't know when to bake, plant, or rest." Seeing the clock tower's distress, Lily gathered her friends, and with a spirit of determination and teamwork, they set out to climb the clock tower and fix the gears. After much effort, they managed to get the hands moving again. The clock tower, grateful for their help, chimed out its thanks. "Thank you, my friends. Now I can guide the village once more." The villagers erupted into cheers as the clock tower resumed its timely chimes. From that day forward, the clock tower served not only as a reminder of the time, but also of the preciousness of every moment and the power of teamwork. For, as the villagers of Tick Village learned, time is indeed precious, and it is through teamwork that every moment can truly be made to count. Bye-bye. See you next time.